You see you girl when name urban homes where come and tear down the people them because them homeless. Let me tell you this, baby girl. Anything good for the goose, it good for the gander too. My mother used to tell me that growing up. So you see you true you me don't know how you're obsessed with the people them so. But King and Shay, this is a message too, no. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I come afar in 2018. And I did live in our room with my sister. They live in our room, me and my sister they live in our room, my bigger sister. And while we was living there, my sister move out of the room and give me the room. I'm living in her room, you know. And while I was living in the room, when we did just get the room, my sister never lived there for no long period of time. She did just help me to get the room because me did come a foreign and stuff, you know. I me never have nothing and me get the room. I'm living in a room. I me say, you know, through a one bed in a room, the landlord did give one bed in a room, and my sister did buy one chest a drawer. You see, when my sister move out, me start to fix up a place, cause me get one little work now. Me start fix up the place, me start buy up my little stuff them, you know. In a me a woman and I want my place look nice and so forth. I me say the Badmind landlord fight against me. Me mean like I said, night and day me no peace. Me work every day. Me work, you know. And when me not work, me stay home and sleep. Cause I remember for me them, me no know nobody. And me say the woman cook up a plan against me. But let me tell you something. You see, whatever the enemy plan for evil, God turn it into good. Me want to remember that. So you see, nothing where you go through, it no permanent. Anything we I go through, sometimes God have to force we in our blessing. Sometimes God have to take away our comfort zone. King and Shay no come afar and no get too comfortable. Uno too comfortable. Uno come here, uno dep on TikTok live, uno attack load night people in place, uno do this. People put out people for less than that. And let me tell you what happened. Me live in a somebody car for 1 month and 2 weeks. When the landlord put me out, you see him look a suitcase when me come a foreign with. I see him look a suitcase, then put me out with. When me I left, me no left with nothing. Me give me mother a place because the woman claims say me a turn trouble to her. Me don't know what me I do fi turn trouble to this woman. Them just vex say me come a foreign and me come with a plan. And then I me look a room nice. Cause people don't like that, you know. People don't like progress in a foreign. When you come a foreign and ya make look a progress, that young people are not foreign. People don't like that. People like when you beg and turn trouble to them. As some people say. But knowing this, girl, me no beg, me no turn trouble to people. I'm living a one man fan for 1 month and 2 weeks. And me say night, and me cry sometime. Me have to go in a hotel them to go bed. Cause me can't rent hotel every night. Me can't rent hotel every night. So you know what me used to do? Me used to sleep in a car. Sometime I tidy, me used to tidy and go work. And me remember one time, we go in our hotel. And me call my cousin and me say, Tara, me not think me can bear this no more. This unbearable. Me say it unbearable. It was a hotel pa Atlantic Avenue. Right down here so pa Atlantic Avenue. Me say Tara, it unbearable. Pennsylvania Atlantic. Me no remember where Galaxy. No, not Galaxy. Me no remember. And my heart broken and me cry. And me say the bench pa Eastern Parkway, you know my tears. Me say, God, I said me come a foreign for suffer. Me remember one time I work for one woman near Sally's. And Sally's not pay me. Me say me walk from Remsna Avenue D go Utica Eastern Parkway. Cause me never know say. Them time me knew that. Me say, I first me ever see some lightning flash so big. Me say gospel songs were my best friend. And yesterday me I say, God, look how me forsake you. Look how. When me did just come afar, me did close with you, me did walk with you in my handbag, me did walk with you in my purse. And now it's like I said, me is like now me get everything I know, me now sing gospel again. And what you now say? Me have a reason with God, me have a whole one-on-one a reason with God, cause sometimes we forget God. And while I was there, me get me I look place for rent, me can't get no place for rent because if you're not no social, nobody not rent you no way. And me say me that work with this chef guy and he called me and he said, Jamie, me go give you one man number, call him. And me call the man, and me call the man, and he say, you have work? Me say, yeah. He say, you have papers? Me say, no. Me say, me I beg you, do. Me no live nowhere and a 1 month now me homeless. Me say me can't manage it. And me cry and me ball and me ball and me ball. Me have the money, you know, cause remember me a work and me a get pay and me not spend the money. And me that throw one partner, me have money. But me not have nowhere to live cause no care how much money I have people now rented them place. And the man give me place. But all of these places where me did I get, God had better plans for me. And me get one little room and me could have able to furnish out my room, pay my rent and live. And make me tell you this. You see, I right there, so me meet my husband. Could have married and get my papers. So, no make nobody, no, people are laugh after, you know. Make them laugh. Make them laugh because God has something better in store for you, know. You hear me? God have something better in store for you. You lady, when you're urban home, me come like I say, me no know why make you so obsessed with the people. Remember, me love. The same knife for stick goat, it can stick sheep too. Make sure say wherever you're there for your own and you don't pay for already so nobody can come put you out. And if nobody can come put you out, remember say natural disaster no nobody no obligation. Remember my love, when you see a man in a valley, pray him up because me tell you something can happen to any of us. Any one of we. Remember bully pa we come a foreign. So you depend TikTok like remember I know at the same place here. We are gonna know all of your business. Remember say everybody who come here can tear down everybody. Remember same place here so we can know everybody business. You hear? Remember. So you they exalt yourself and go on and attack about the people in don't wanna work. You no business with that, you feed them. You feed the people them woman. Worry about yourself. The Bible says take the beam out of the ear out of our eye before we take the muck out of anybody else own. So the time you're there and you don't sit down and not criticize people, and not tear down people and not do all you want to do to people, and pray them up. Pray them up and hope so they find somewhere. Because me tell you something, you know, you see when they put me out, it was November. Time not even the cold yet. It did chilly, you know, but it never cold. And you see at night time, you know, people in van asleep, me say come like I say I freeze, me I freeze. It come like I freeze, me I freeze all when me homeless people still call me and beg me. I'm still like them. So let me tell you this, King and Shay. This is not the end. This is not the end of America. You hear? This is not the end. The Bible say, be not thou envious against the workers of iniquity, for they shall be cut down like the grass and wither like the herb. So you see, everybody a flourish, make them flourish and go on. And if you put the icing on the cake, what day you see one woman where used to live in a house when the landlord did run me out, she did turn up the day and all me I said, tell the woman so me not do nothing no. She said, Jamie, go on, just pack up the things and go on. And me feel so bad when she says so. Me feel so bad when she says so, because she said, Jamie, just go on. Just go on. Cause me say, me see her and me give her a ride in my car. Me say, come let me give her a ride. So let me tell you this, King and Shay, this is not the end of the world. You hear? This is not the end of the world. Nobody make you feel bad about whatever is going on. You hear? No make nobody make you feel bad. You miss urban home. It time you dep on TikTok a chat. Remember say your husband you live with. And remember say a girl will take your man go worse than you. The girl will take your man go be a crackhead in a foreign. She not gonna have no corporate job and she not gonna have nothing. You hear? And remember say she go come put you out. And you better make sure say when she put you out, you know you don't bother come on TikTok come big. Make sure you keep your corporate job. Because let me tell you some struggles not have nobody name panny. You hear? Struggles not have nobody name panny. Struggles not have none of we name panny. What are we name the panny? We not struggles not special people name panny. You hear? So no matter amount of foundation where you set, sometimes the building crumble. Sometimes the building crumble. Sometimes the foundation shaky because you don't make no good foundation. So the time you're there, I worry about King and Shay. Go pray for them. Go and pray for them. Pray for them and bless them in a Jesus name. King and Shay, I pray so you get somewhere before the time get cool. And you come off our internet. King, you chat too much. King, you chat too much. You come off our internet. Everything you bring come here, it make people can there a bust all kind of decent liberty pa uno. One time people used to come a foreign, come hide. All of a sudden nobody na hide again. Everybody know everybody business. Listen man.